But today we are looking at PayPal, right? So let us go to PayPal, gently scroll down, and this is PayPal USD or PayPal Euro, anyone you want. And we're exchanging to any other thing you want. Okay, if you want to exchange to USDT, to Theta, you can see TRC20. Okay, beware of the network you're choosing, Theta 20, or if you want to select to Perfect Money, to anything at all you want, even to from PayPal to Binance BNB is possible. I just clicked on affiliate program and I scrolled down. To my amazement, these guys have given me $55. $55, guys, $55 US dollars, which I can withdraw like instantly, and I'm gonna do that right now. You know how sweet it is because dollar is actually very high. That's one of the sweetest things. And let us say, let me just calculate 55.05 with Binance rate of 921 naira to $1 or so. Guys, this guy just gave me a whooping 50,000 naira for nothing, man. Hello. Today, I will teach you how to convert your PayPal funds, either PayPal USD or PayPal Euro, to USDT or BNB or any other fiat currency or cryptocurrency of your choice in less than 30 minutes. Please note that this video is not a sponsored post and you are not making any exchange via Instagram, Telegram or WhatsApp. No. Rather, I will show you how I've been exchanging my PayPal funds to other fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies since 2016, roughly since about 7 years now. And one of the best things you can do for yourself is to make sure you watch this video till the end. Because if you don't follow the rules or the tips that I will give you in this video, your request to exchange your funds may likely be rejected. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Waterfred1 and we are starting right now. So guys, without wasting time, this is the website, okay? This is the website, and straight and right to the point, when you want to make an exchange, okay? When you want to make an exchange, you just come here and click on exchange, okay? And when you are here, the website is not just like the regular website, you know, it's a Russian website, okay? But everything is safe and direct. I told you since 2016, I've been using this website, okay? Now, to prove that to you, let's go to other listings, and let us look at it. Look at this. I exchanged Skrill to Perfect Money, $93, completed, and it was done on 9 December 2016. Look at this, 2017. You see, because there are lots of people doing exchanges, I've been using these guys once in a while, but I didn't know they were this stable and constant. You get what I mean? And something brought my attention to them today, which made me to actually do this video, especially for those that are looking for PayPal exchange. So back to it, when you want to exchange, just click on exchange right here, and I'm going to leave the link to sign up, the sign up link in the video description. But before you rush to that place, please watch this video to the end, because I will tell you the ways I use to get a successful exchange. All exchanges are not just approved, so I will tell you what you're going to do, and you're going to have your orders completed like almost 95% of the time. Okay.
Waterfred, Oriental Brothers, Kaiga. Obrukwa ni neme video menjo yo, nenu wa o, diko like ya o. Olisa malugo kwa nkonye nemenu wa o, hey, okwa YouTube o. Waterfred neku o, brother. Click and subscribe.
So when you are here, your email will be here, and of course you select direction. When you come here, there are lots of fiat currencies, fiat money, cryptos, or PayPal or whatever. You can see ADV Cash. Okay, you can see lots of them, ADV Cash, Binance, anything you want to exchange at all, anything at all. A lot of them are here. But today we are looking at PayPal, right? So let us go to PayPal, gently scroll down, and this is PayPal USD or PayPal Euro, anyone you want. And we're exchanging to any other thing you want. Okay, if you want to exchange to USDT, to Theta, you can see TRC20. Okay, beware of the network you're choosing, Theta 20, or if you want to select to Perfect Money, to anything at all you want, even to from PayPal to Binance BNB is possible. Okay, TRC20, BP20, anyone. So this is Theta TRC20, which is USDT. You put the amount. Let us say you want to exchange $50. Okay, you can see this is it. They will tell you exactly commission. If you are due for any commission, they will say for me, they will give me a discount of 3%, and the minimum, you will see minimum of 2.5 USD for less than 17.8. They're talking about what? The commissions, okay? Yeah. And then you can see when you give 50 USD for PayPal, you receive 42.77. Okay, mark this, mark this. And then what do? Put in your PayPal email, your PayPal USD email, and your TRC20 USDT address, and then check all of this. If you want to put any notes, you can put any notes. You get what I mean? And then just click on submit. And the next thing you're just going to do is to receive email. You are going to send you an email, a direct email to your email address, and from there, they might ask you a few questions about funds and all that, especially when it involves PayPal. But once you're able to prove that you're the owner of the funds, of course, your exchange is going to be completed almost immediately, except if for whatever reason you don't provide answers, that's the thing that is going to be delaying your exchange. You get what I mean? But also, apart from PayPal, there are other ones. Just like I said, you can exchange a lot of things here, whether it's advanced cash, ADV cash, to Skrill, to PayPal, wherever you want. Okay. Then I want to also show you something real quick. Magnatus, today I just got an email that I got an affiliate commission in Magnatus, and I just logged into my account. Over a year, I've not really logged in, and I just clicked on affiliate program, and I scrolled down, and you can see, man, to my amazement, these guys have given me $55. $55, guys, $55 US dollars, which I can withdraw like instantly, and I'm going to do that right now. You know how sweet it is, because dollar is actually very high. That's one of the sweetest things. And let us say, let me just calculate 55.05 with Binance rate of 921 naira to $1 or so. Guys, this guy just gave me a whooping 50,000 naira for nothing, man. This is just incredible. 50,000 naira. And this is not just mouth. I'm going to withdraw this right now, straight and direct to the point. And let's do that immediately. I come here. I want to withdraw to TRC20. Okay. USDT. That's Theta. This is Theta, TRC, USDT. Okay. TRC20. Okay. And when they say your requisites, this means your account number or your USDT address, or you know what I mean, your receiving address. So I head over to my Binance account. This is my Binance account. Let me refresh it real quick. Refreshing. Okay. Yes, it just refreshed. And if you look now, you can see I don't really have any money in my Binance. You can see 0.1. I don't really have any funds inside my Binance account right now. So what am I going to do? I click on deposits, and I want to deposit crypto. Okay. And to ask me to select the coin, I want to deposit USDT. Select the network, TRC20, and this is my address. So I copy it, head back to my Magnatus account, and I paste. Ctrl V, and I will submit. You can see application is submitted. It will be considered and processed in the near future. They don't really talk much. The only thing you need to do once you do this is what? To keep an eye on your email. Okay, keep an eye on your email, and once this drops, I'm going to show you guys immediately that it has entered. Okay. So guys, if you check the time now, this is 2:20. I stopped recording earlier at 1:30. Okay, this is 2:20. So in less than 1 hour, guys, in less than 1 hour, I got a notification on my Binance. Let us go to my wallet right now, wallet overview. Let me click it. I'm doing this live and direct. You can see, guys, $55. Okay, you can see 55 US dollars. Let me refresh this real quick. Okay, you can see it, $55. And if you check my transactions, look at it, recent transactions, you can see it. $55 deposit, you can see it. You can see it completed. Let me click on it. Is there where I can click on it for us to look further into it? Okay, you can see it, 55.05. Exactly how much that we expected from Magnatus. Let's click on the transaction history. Okay, let's go in depth so we can confirm this. You can see this. You can see it. Spot wallet. This is my USDT address. Okay. Yes, you can see it. You can see. You can see this. Completed. You can see it. So this is just incredible. This is just incredible. This is just amazing, man. This is just amazing. Okay. And this is just a free 50,000 naira that I just got. Okay. Yeah, and let's just refresh this. Let's refresh Magnatus right now and see what's okay. It's asking me to log in. Let me just put in my email real quick. Okay, and we go to affiliates program. When we scroll down to affiliate program, you will see disbursement. You will see it 55.05 USD, the reward received previously. You can see it. So this is just incredible. Now, I promised something. I said that if you watch till the end, that I'm going to give you some tips for you to have your exchanges going through here. I mean, almost 95% of the time for you to have your exchanges approved. Number one, make sure you have enough information about the funds you're about to exchange. They may ask you some funny questions like, how did you get funds? How did you receive it? Just answer, I did this. I worked freelancing job online. If they ask you, is the PayPal you are using verified? Yes. In what country was the PayPal opened? If you're not the owner of the PayPal, ask the person that has the PayPal that you are want to exchange, what country the PayPal is. Just answer those simple questions and you're going to have your exchanges approved. Okay. They respond earlier than you think. So just keep refreshing your email and you're going to have their responses almost immediately. And once you get it, you ask for any screenshot or anything, just send it to them. And 95% of the time, 99.9% of the time, those questions are usually once, except if you change your PayPal email or whatever. It's always the only at once, the first instance. And after that, they're not going to be asking those questions again. So sign up on Magnatus and use them for exchange. They are fast, reliable, and trustworthy. Okay, this is not a sponsored ad in any way. I've just been using these guys for a very long time, and they've proven to be stable in what they do. So Magnatus, sign up on Magnatus is a way to exchange your funds, okay, easily. Okay, this is not a paid ad, this is not a sponsored ad. I've been using these guys for a long time. Okay, you get what I mean? I've been using them for a very long time. And you can see you get more discounts as long as you keep exchanging. Okay, as long as you keep exchanging, you'll be getting more discounts. You can see, I think this is my level, warming up is my level. I just done like about 250 US dollars exchange with them. Okay, and the more you do, the more, okay, you can see the total sum of completed exchange is 330 US dollars is what I've done with them. Okay, so once I get 500 USD now, I'll be in level 4, and that's where you'll be getting more and more discounts. Okay, more and more discounts. Okay, when you exchange. Okay, so Magnatus is very simple. Sign up using the link in my video description. Okay, sign up via my referral. That's the only way you can encourage me. Okay, with all these things I post for you guys, sign up under me. Okay, and then follow the instructions. Drop your comments if you have any or any questions in the video description here on YouTube. Let me head over to Binance and convert my money to Naira and enjoy my free 50K that I just got this sweet hot afternoon. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this one, give me a thumbs up, share this video, comment, so that other people can gain true value from the videos that I share online. However, if you did not gain any value in this one, give me dislike 2 times and also tell me why in the comment section so I can improve on the content that I share for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned and I will see you in my next video. Peace.